Today we're using Mudslide from our Element styling range. Mudslide is a styling paste that has a hold factor of 8 with a slight matte finish. So what we're going to do is apply approximately a 5-cent piece of Mudslide to already damp hair. So dispersing it evenly throughout this head of hair. You can also apply this product dry for a stronger instant result. So working it all the way through the hair, making sure that you get all of the hair that you'd like to style, not just putting it directly on the surface. And then finishing by placing the hair exactly where you would like it to sit for the entire day.